Hey everyone, Technomentor here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix merge keyboard on iOS 18. So you might have noticed when you're going on your keyboard on your phone, you may see your keyboard merged with maybe two different language or three or however many, because there's a new feature on iOS 18 that allows you to merge bilingual keyboard. So in order to fix this or remove a bilingual keyboard, all you're going to do is tap on your setting on your iPhone. From there on, go to General and then click on Keyboards. Once you click on Keyboards, there's going to be another option that says Keyboards. Tap on that. And as you can see here, if you have a bilingual setup, which might have happened after updating to iOS 18, where you might have separate keyboard, but it happened to combine them into one, you're going to want to tap on that. Remove that language that you don't want, so it's only one. Instead of adding a language that will add it as a bilingual, you'll go back here and then click on add a language. And for example, if I want to add maybe another language, for example, maybe Swedish or something, right? As an example, I'll click on that, and instead of where it says add to the English US keyboard, you're going to add as a new keyboard and then hit that and then click on done. Now you can see here I have two different separate keyboard instead of a bilingual one, where if you add to a language, it will do that. Again, that's how you can fix the issue of having a bilingual merged keyboard on your iPhone on iOS 18 by separating them out. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.